Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi, welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the R sound. So, which letters make R? There are two, A and R. Together they make R. Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world. Here we have Archie from Argentina, who's only gone and won another race. He's driven very far in his car. So, which words in that clip had the R sound? There was car and far. Let's practice car, starting with a curly k and then R. K, R, car. Now let's try far, starting with a f and then R. F, R, far.
Next up is Charles from Denmark. Oh dear, looks like a breakdown. He's pushing really hard using his arms. What a way to solve the problem! Now, you may have heard
Hard and arms. Let's practice hard. R and D. R, D. Hard. Now let's try arms. R, and S. R, S. Arms.
Now over to Tara from Armenia. She's taken a shortcut through the park. Oh no! Her star has blown away! Let's hope she finds it. What could we hear this time?
There was park and star. So, starting with park. P, R and K. P, R, K. Park. Now on to star. S, T, R, S, T, R. Star.
And last but not least, we have Kiara from Qatar. Wow! She's bought a new dark blue car. What a smart choice! Now, what were our two words?
We had dark and smart. Starting with dark. D. R and K. D. R, K. Dark. And finally, let's try smart. S. R and T. S. R, T. Smart. I hope you enjoyed practicing the R sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!